প্রফেসর ঋষি মহালাল ପରିସଂଖ୍ୟାର ଜନକ ଭାବରେ ଦେଶରେ ଖ୍ୟାତ ଏବଂ ବିଶେଷ ଭାବରେ ସମ୍ମାନ ଜଣାଇ ଏ କୃତଜ୍ଞ ଜାତି ଆଜି 18ତମ ଜାତୀୟ ପରିସଂଖ୍ୟାନ ଦିବସରେ indeed dedication of
my colleagues in the years and the past, statisticians, personnel of other departments and details, member of print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are celebrating the 18th National Statistics Day, commemorating the great contribution of late Professor Prashant Chandra Mahanan. The presence here the added value to this occasion. For statisticians working in the government, our main purpose is to understand the complexity of development challenges to the mirror of data and information. The first challenge is to understand somehow the field level for collection of data. But for collecting the data, if I take the example of a crop survey, then we cannot do it mechanically. We have to understand the many are at this satisfied. I welcome you, my gratitude on this occasion. Esteemed, our distinguished speaker, Sri Praveen Srivastava, is a person of great eminence in the field of statistics. Dedicate yourself to reaffirm yourselves to the cause of statistics, because statistics is for development, statistics is for welfare, and we have to make statistics for people's welfare. लोग परिसंख्यान लोग कल्याण है एक फिलोसफी नहीं आता को बढ़िया जब जो एक ही दिन में प्रमाण को समस्त को आउटरे हार्दिक अभिनंदन देनुची एक परिसंख्यान दिवस अवसर रे 18th नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स डे अवसर रे प्रमाण को हार्दिक अभिनंदन देनुची धन्यवाद.
Statistics must have a clearly defined purpose, one aspect of which is scientific advance, another human welfare and national development. Statistics brings out the insight and stories underlying the large mass of data and help the.
Good morning, friends and colleagues, dignitaries on the dais. At the outset, I'd like to thank the Government of Odisha for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts and views on the theme for data for decision making. As you have all seen in this small presentation that you already have gone through that video, the work that you do is arduous, it takes time, and it takes more time for the data to be used for a policy or a decision making platform. And that's where your role is important. Today on Statistics Day, we try to recall and recollect the contribution that our leaders have made in the past, but at the same time lay the foundation for what we have to do in future.
सर्वप्रथमे तो હું નેશનલ સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ ડે ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ଜଣାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି. ଆପଣମାନେ जो ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଯୋଗଦାନ ରହୁଛି सर्वेज और डेटा कलेक्शन और कंपाइलेशन उभय पाई सेटा वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल. आमे राज्य तरफु मु आपनको विभाग तरफु कृतज्ञता जनाऊँगी. आगे जो डेटा पाई स्टैटिस्टिक्स पाई लोकंकर भंडा दिला, एवरीबडी थॉट दैट it is not very glamorous, it is a boring job. But I am noticing now that no longer. I think it has become very, very glamorous. And the next big thing everyone says is data. So you should be very proud of being in a profession where you can contribute so much to decision making, to scientific decision making, to correct decision making. About Professor Mahalanobis, it was said that he is a physicist by training, a statistician by instinct, and planner by conviction. But to be able to plan by conviction, you need data. As a policy maker, as a decision maker, leader now at the top level, every day we struggle. We struggle for reliable, robust, recent, correct data which can help inform whatever policy and program we make. And that is where the role of this whole group comes up, that we together have to give this data to government, to everybody in fact, so that correct decisions can be made, evidence-based planning can be done. In our state, we are trying a lot of things, many of you might be aware. Number one is the World Bank project we have started for strengthening of the statistical system. It has 5 components. The first is digitization, which we are going to focus on, because even now much of our data is coming offline, and so this is one very important thing. The second focus will be on quality assurance. The third will be on filling data gaps, so identifying the gaps and filling them. The fourth would be user engagement, and the fifth would be institutional strengthening. Some of these have already been mentioned by Mr. Srivastava when he was making his keynote address, and this is now part of the World Bank project that we will be launching, in fact, formally today. Along with that, what we are going to launch, not launch, but at least keep ready, is the data dissemination policy that has already been conceived and articulated, and that itself will also be a very good step towards scientific data dissemination. The third thing that we are doing is coordination. So this user engagement is something that we have started. And so if it is agricultural statistics, then we are sitting down before the data collection starts with the agriculture department, or if it is for MI, then we are sitting down with water resources department. The idea is that the users must get involved from the beginning, and there should be full ownership of the data. Very often we find that we collect the data and then user departments, they completely disown it. If it is not in their favor or if it doesn't come up to them, it's very important that they should be there from the very beginning. And we are also doing a lot of recruitments. So in the last few years, we have been able to recruit 469 statistical field surveyors, apart from investigators and statistics officers, and 323 more SFS would be recruited very soon. Today, in today's program, we would be launching the World Bank project. We would be releasing a large number of the statistical publications, and we are also going to be awarding some of the best performing districts.
ज्ञापन करुच्ची भारतीय परिसंख्यान और जनगण प्रोफेसर प्रशांत चंद्र महाराज विश्वकर 131तम जन्मवार्षिक एसोसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स सेलिब्रेशन. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. The testifier Anushka Gopal Paduchi and Kudratata George. Is maybe a new bold. The serious adaptation madam Anushka Gopal appreciation to Sri Praveen Srivastava.
Sir, our gesture who have contributed to the success of this event. Our sincere appreciation goes to Sri Mohan Charan Majhi, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Odisha, for his motivating message. Sir, your contributions have greatly enriched our occasion. Our heartfelt thanks go to our keynote speaker, Sri Praveen Srivastava, the former Chief Statistician and Secretary, Government of Senior Officers of the Planning and Convergence Department, continuous support and contributions. Economics and Statistics Odisha, whose dedication and hard work have been instrumental in organizing this event.